Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you.
Arson is discussing as firefighter. India slams Pak for ranking up Kashmir at UNGA harboring terrorists. At the United Nations General Assembly UNGA, India's first Secretary Sneha Dubey responded to Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan's remarks on Kashmir. We exercise our right of reply to one more attempt by the leader of Pakistan to tarnish the image of this August forum by bringing in matters internal to my country and going so far as so few falsehood on the world stage. She was quoted by ANI. Further, Sneha Dubey accused Pakistan of being an arsonist disguising itself as a firefighter by harboring terrorists are called upon the neighboring country to immediately vacate all areas under its illegal occupation. In his pre-recorded speech aired on Friday evening at the UNGA, Pakistan PM Imran Khan had said that New Delhi has embarked on what is ominously called the final solution for the Jammu and Kashmir dispute. While accusing India of committing human rights violation of Kashmir, Pakistan PM Imran Khan stated that the mortal remains of great Kashmiri leader Shahid Ali Jilani were forcibly snatched by Indian authorities where he died earlier this month at the age of 91. The separatist leader family had claimed that his body was taken and buried without their consent. Meanwhile, India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi will address the UNGA in person on Saturday. Modi Biden meet talks focus on trade COVID leaders now to strengthen Indo-US ties. As Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi and US President Joe Biden meet for their Madon bilateral meeting on Friday, trade and talks on India-US relationship dominated the agenda list. PM Modi lauded President Biden's leadership in developing the friendship between India and the US and also in heading the fight against COVID-19 and climate change. President Biden, on the other hand, mentioned that a strong India-US bond could solve a lot of global challenges. At around 8:30 p.m. on Friday, PM Modi reached the White House where he was greeted by the President Biden. PM Modi said, "I would like to thank US President Joe Biden for the warm welcome. I recall our interactions in 2014 and 2016. The Indian delegations for the meeting with the US President included External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar, NSA Ajit Doval, Foreign Secretary H.V. Sringla, Indian Ambassador to the US T.S. Sandhu, Joint Secretary to the PM R.G. Sresth and Private Secretary to the PM Vivek Kumar." Expressing his desire to strengthen the relationship between India and the US, President Biden said relations between India and the US are destined to be stronger. Meanwhile, the two world leaders also shared some fun moments between the meeting. Biden jokes about possible India connection in the meeting with Prime Minister Modi. US President Joe Biden on Friday pleasantly spoke about his possible Indian connection during his first meeting with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, recalling a story about a man with the Biden surname writing to him when he was first elected as a senator in 1972. Elaborating more on this, Biden jokingly said there was a Captain George Biden in the East India Tea Company. This is hard for an Irish person to admit. I should not be casual. I hope you are able to understand the humor. The end result was that he apparently stayed and married an Indian woman. I have never been able to track it down, so the whole purpose of this meeting is to help me figure it out Biden said, triggering laughter among those present in the meetings rooms, including Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.
Audio Jungle.